Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Facebook account on mobile. First of all, open up the Facebook app. After opening Facebook, click on Profile icon from the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Go into Settings and click to see more in Account Center. Then tap on Personal Details from Account Settings. Now click on Account Ownership and Control from Personal Details. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Then select the account that you want to deactivate. Choose to delete account permanently and click on Continue. After that, click on Continue to delete your Facebook profile and additional pages. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.